Well, hello, my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand. So I wanted to hop on here right quick just to remind you that on Sunday, April 7th, 2024, Kay with At Home with Kay and I will be doing our first collaboration, our spring tier tray collaboration, and we want you to show your support. It will begin at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so if you have time in your day and can just show your support by logging in and visiting our channels, that'll be great, and we will be greatly appreciative to you. Again, this is Joy Fuller, the Chief Crafter for the Joyful Designs brand, and I just wanted to hop on here just to remind you that, yes, Kay with At Home with Kay and I will be doing our first collaboration, and it will start this Sunday, April 7th, 2024, beginning at 6 p.m. See you soon. Bye.